like a scrub. I was trying to get some money, but you left me in the mud. When I was doing bad, you left me in my past. It was broke, you had no cash. I thought you had my back.
Okay, we were just driving down the road and I had to stop. It's one of those like feelings that like majestic type feelings driving right now, and I literally just had to pull over so fast because of what I want to show you guys right now. Sorry, I'm like a little excited right now. I love things that are majestic feelings in the world. It just makes like I get this like feeling in my heart that I just want to stop and see something. So I decided to stop and get video real quick. So I'm gonna turn the camera and show you guys right here. But this is crazy how beautiful this is. Stop and just show you guys. I don't know where I'm at right now. We're headed to a place, waterfalls, that we're actually gonna be seeing tomorrow. It's a little bit late in the afternoon, but just going down the road, I see this spot and just wanted to stop just to kind of get a few minutes of serenity, peace. Beautiful. It's like a picture, like someone painted a picture like Bob Ross would do over here. I'm gonna do one more little scan back right here for you guys. I'm gonna do a quick video for my phone, for my Instagram real quick, but hope you guys enjoy this view. So good morning. Had a great night here yesterday. Gonna be doing a few different things today. I'm gonna be going to Erawan Waterfalls today to go check out 7 different waterfalls. Just waking up. Have a good day. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. We're gonna have a great day today. It's gonna be beautiful, just like it is with this view right here. All right, so we're at the first spot for the waterfall right now. About a 10-minute walk to this spot, I say about maybe. This is the Erawan Waterfall. She gets mad at me saying Iran. I'm just messing around, joking, but Erawan Waterfall. Picture.
I just want to do that.
Take a nap.
สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้เราจะไปเที่ยวน้ำตกเอราวัณกันนะคะ
Okay.
ตามฉันมาค่ะ
We're walking around, she finds a broom, and she decides she wants to start flying around. What are you doing, Nui?
You want to fly with me?
Crazy.
Enough.
We're gonna go up to number 4, and I think that's probably as far as we're gonna go up right now. We have a 4-hour drive today, or else I would love to go all the way up to the top, but it's probably about like a 2-hour walk. Something like that, I'm assuming. So we're gonna go up to number 4. We've done scene 1, 2, 3. We got one more to see. Figure on this last one, I'll keep the camera rolling right now until we get there. All right, guess we're going to number 5 now. 450, 300, 250. So this is going to be the longest stretch right here for any of them, between 4 and 5. All right, let's go. I don't think my battery's going to last at all, so I'm going to save it once I get to the top of this stairwell.
Have my umbrella with you.
Okay.
Oh, it's cold, 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 but beautiful. I think it's gonna be my last stop here for you guys. Had a great time here. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button if you guys enjoyed the content today.